English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1, Business, Change, Each. Business. Business is a noun. A1 learners usually know business. At A1, business is the activity of buying and selling goods and services. Here are some examples. He is in business of some description. They decided to go into business together. The company does a lot of business with China. Change. Change is a verb. A1 learners usually know change. At A1, to change means to start something new. Here are some examples. I would like to change my job. He suggested that I should change the way I exercise. She wants to change the time of her appointment. Each. Each is a determiner and a pronoun. A1 learners usually know each. Each means everyone in a group of two or more things. Here are some examples. Each house has its own garden. He wants £10 for each of the tall plants. Here are some pens and pencils. Please take one of each. Now write some of your own sentences with business, change and each. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.